All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to hide this layer. In fact, I'm going to hide both layers, and I'm going to hide that as well. And we're going to go up to the, oh, that's just the outline. Okay, I'm going to go up here to the horizontal type tool. I'm going to click on that, and we're going to write, this is some cool text that I can make with After Effects. Okay, now what you can do is on the right hand side here, if we go to the character panel, which if it's not open, go to window and go to character. Okay, I already have it open right here. We can go here and we can select cool fonts. So we can go to like Hot House, or we can do sample. This is Chromakeying. We can also do nameless. Okay, and I can zoom in. So let me zoom in on this. Okay, and we can select that, and if I just double click, I can make it bigger. Okay, and instead of writing out all this text, let's just write cool so we can kind of see it. Okay, and we'll do a capital L so we can fit everything in there. Okay, and there you go. So that's how you use the type tool. Now, you can do a lot more with this because you can adjust the style, the font style. You can adjust the color. So I can go in here and I can literally grab like a lime green if I wanted to. And I could give this kind of a lime green look. Of course, it's not working. So hold on, let's see if I can make it work. Oh, there we go. I figured it out. So I can do like a light blue, right? Cool. Grab the selection tool, zoom out with the letter Z, and then use the hand tool to move this around to see it. Okay, so that's the way that you work with the type tool. All right, so thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.